representing Lotha tribe are wearing their traditional attire, which is one of the tribes from Nagaland. There are 17 major tribes in Nagaland, and all of them has their own heritage, dresses, and culture. Morang is a traditional communal home for unmarried Naga men that serves as a center for social life, education, and several purposes. Dao is the sword of the Naga people. Spear is used to protect them from wild animals. Thank you.
हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक वन सेकंड टू माय ब्लॉग। आज स्टार्ट हो गया, इसलिए हम आपको वीडियो को दिखाएंगे। This is our English stall. You can see over here. So my grandma flips books. This are the. So we decorate like this. This is how we decorate. So you can decorate like this. You can see over here, and all the decoration here. You can see over here. So everything is ready.
ವಿವಿಧ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ ವೇದಿಕೆ ತಯಾರಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾಲಕರು ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಯನ್ನ ಗುರುತಿಸಬೇಕಂತೇಳಿ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಪಾಲಕರಲ್ಲಿ ವಿನಂತಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪಾಲಕರು ಶಿಸ್ತಿನಿಂದ ಇರಬೇಕು. PU ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಬಂದ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ನ ಮುಂದೆ ನೀವು ಮೂರು ಜನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಹಾಜರಿದ್ದು ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೀತಕ್ಕಂತ ಶಾಂತಿ ಶಿಸ್ತನ್ನ ಕಾಪಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಮತ್ತು ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಜರಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾಲಕರು ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನ ಪಡೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಜರಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
Kaisa, how are you?
Fine.
You are from the rock today?
ನೀಡಲು ಸಹಕರಿಸಬೇಕು.
Hi.
Next stall.
Sir.
And here another stall. I will show you.
National symbol. National
Stall. These are the future generation doctors.
Salam Jo.
Hi everyone, my name is Ishan. My name is Pankaj. We are studying in grade 3 in National School. Today we shall like to share you about the use of this and that. This is when referring to the object of person. This is when referring to the object of people that are close to us. This is a tree. This is a ball. This is a car. This is a house. That is used for things that are performance. That is a tray. That is a ball. That is a car. That is a house. All of it. Hello everyone, my name is Vivek and we are studying in grade 3 in Abu Dhabi International School. Today we are representing a present past participles are verb from that describe when an action is happened. Present tense describing action that are currently happened. Past tense describing action that have already happened. Past participle, a form of a verb that ends in ed, en, dt or n is used to form of past participles. Applied, d, die, died, cook, cooked, close, call, called, bite, bitten, broken, are, hair, been, draw, Right, right. Thank you. Hello everyone. I am Apeksha. I heartily welcome to a school exhibition and I am studying in grade 6 in Abuna International School. Today I am presenting about kinds of sentence. There are 4 kinds of sentence in English grammar. First, declarative sentence. Declarative sentence make a statement. Imperative sentence gives a command. Interrogative sentence ask a question. Exclamatory sentence expresses our emotion. Because, for example, Rohit is a boy. Rohit is a good boy. Sun rises in the east. These are examples for declarative sentence. Imperative sentence. Rohit neatly. Turn on the fan. These are examples for imperative sentence. What is your name? Where do you live? These are examples for interrogative sentence. Alas, he died. Hooray, we won. These are examples for exclamatory sentence. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Prathamesh and I am Basungada. We are studying in grade 6 in Abuja International School. Today we would like to share about articles. Articles that comes up in articles point of the before thing. Article 2 type 1 is identification of a different article. A is referred to that beginning of the consonant sound. Example, a ball, a cow, a duck, a chair. An is used to provide article with a vowel sound. An octopus, an orange, an apple, an extreme. It is used when we are referring to specific or particular things. The desert, the dog, the Taj Mahal, the tree, the sun.
Hello everyone. My name is Arpanas and I am Srishti and we are a student of Abhyudaya International School. Today we would like to introduction all about questioning word. This question word has specific rule to ask question. What is talking about things inquiry? What is this? What is your name? Who is talking about people? Who are you? Who is your father? Where is talking about place? Where are you? Where will you come? Where did you come? When is talking about time? When will you come? When did you come? Who's talking about possession? Ownership. Whose car is this? Whose book is this? Why is talking about reason? Why are you laughing? Why are you so late? Which is talking about chess? Which is your favorite thing? Which is your bag? How is talking about method? How are you learning English? How do you speak? How many is talking about quantity? How many pens you have? How many dresses you have? How much is talking about quantity? How much does it cost? How much do you sleep? Thank you so much for visiting for school exhibition.
Good evening everyone. I am Ansubai from 9th A class, Abhyudaya International School, Murebbiha. This is the model of poem Upagupta. This is the town of Mathura. There are two main characters. Upagupta sleeping in Upagupta, disciple of Buddha. Vasavadatta, dancing girl of Mathura. Vasavadatta sleeping in a small town called Mathura. Dancing stumbles over the body of Upagupta and wakes him up and invites to her home. Upagupta refuses but tells her that he would visit her when time is ripe year late. Upagupta finds the dancing girl lying in the ground outside the town, having sores all over the body, and she dry away from the town. He gives her water and applies sandal balm on her body. The woman asks who is. Upagupta replies, now has time come to visit you and I am here. This way he keeps his promise. The main theme of poem is we should not be proud of our beauty and wealth. Nothing is permanent in this world. Thank you.
Good evening, sir. My name is Titi. Welcome to English Talk. There is the model of Grandma Climbs a Tree. Grandma climbs a tree, story poem written by the Robert Hooks. She climbs a tree even age after 62. She learned by her loving brother even age after 6. Everyone feared that she could fall down. One day, she climbs a tree but could not come down. After rescue, doctor advised bed rest for a week. She felt baby season in hell. She reminded her son to build a house top of the tree. His son built a tree top of the tree. His son fulfilled her dream. She moved up and stayed happily. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Abhishek Japur. I am studying in 9th standard. My topic is Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh, he was a great freedom fighter in. Bhagat Singh was born on 27 September 1907 in Katkar Kalan in Punjab. His grandfather was Arjan Singh, father Kishan Singh, and uncle Ajit Singh, who all are active in freedom struggle. Young Bhagat Singh came in contact with some political leaders like Lala Lajpat Rai and Ras Bihar Bose while studying in local DA school in 1916 in India. Thank you.
Good evening to all. My name is Akshata. I am from class 8th. Now I am going to explain about the great personality of Sir C.V. Raman. Sir C.V. Raman was a great scientist. He was born on 7th November in 1888 and his father name was Chandrasekhar Ramnath Iyer and his mother name was Parvati Amal, and he is awarded the Nobel Prize in 1930 because for work on the scattering of light, and he died on the 21 November in 1917 at the age of 82. Thank you, sir.
Good evening, sir. Heartily welcome to our Abhyudaya group of institution. I am Prapti Hulsure from class 9th. Today I am going to explain about William Shakespeare's 7 stages of human. This is the model of 7 stages of human. William Shakespeare's 7 Ages of Man is a famous speech from his play. The stages are: the first stage is infant, the baby stage. The second is schoolboy, the child stage. The third is lover, the young man in love stage. The fourth is soldier, the stage of seeking honor and reputation. The fifth is justice, the middle age stage of wisdom and justice. The sixth is pantaloon, the old age stage of wearing spectacles and having a voice that shifts to treble. The seventh and the last is second childhood, the final age stage of helplessness, when a person loses their teeth, eyes and taste and other faculties. The main theme of the poem is that human life is like a play, with each stage human life being a role played by individual.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Siddharth Puri and I am from class 9th A. My model is on conjunction, a word that is used for joining words, phrases and clauses. Here are some examples. He was lazy but honest, but is a conjunction. I am tired and hungry. I am tired and hungry and is a conjunction.
Good evening, my name is Abhishek Nayak. I am studying in 9th B year. My topic is antonyms, a word that can be meant by opposite of another words. Here are some examples: sad, happy, close, open, fast, tall, short, day, night, close, open, clean. Thank you.
My name is Praveen Pujari. Studying in 9th A class. 9th A class. My topic is collocation. Collocation is word or phrase that is often used with another word or phrase in they way send direct. And the examples post office, there are bookworm, earthquake and wall clock and blood bank and east food, charming girls, and there are examples. Thank you.
Good evening, my name is Prashant. My topic is tense, their grammar, pronouns in verb, syllables, opposite words, infinitive, meaning of words. The pronouns he, his, this, we, they, verbs come, go,
lamb, sleep, work, sweep, syllables, school 1, college 2, bank 2, opposite words in day, night. Then, thank you. Good evening, my name is Nitin Patil. I am studying in 9th class. My topic is syllables. A word or a part of which consists vowel sound is known as syllables. These are the examples of syllables. I, eat, go, shoes. These are the examples. Thank you. Second one, the second one example is the canteen, daughter, college, father, etc. Third example of syllables is relation, accident. Thank you. Good evening. My name is Vinayak. I am studying in 9th B. Here is the model of English poems garden. This is Justice from Justice poem. She is Bharatnatyam dancer. This is Upagupta from Upagupta poem. He is Yusuf from Nobleness and Kindlet Nobleness. She is Betty Cuthbert from a girl called Golden. This is our national culture, traditional culture. Thank you.
Hi everyone, you are warmly welcome in our school exhibition and thank you for visiting. My name is Adar G. Rahman and he is my friend Sampath Jilamani and Saurabh C. Rathod. We are from class 4. Today we are going to explain about the waste management by the method called reuse and recycle. Reduce means it refers to the practice of minimizing amount of waste generated, buying product with minimal packaging, choosing items designed to last longer. Reuse. Hi. Do you know how do we reuse things? Our natural resources are depleting, so we should use them efficiently. To reuse them when they are still in good condition is necessary. By giving such things to the needy person would be right decision.
Started by Egyptians, rich people.
Hi everyone,
Was the king
again sir.
So here they have met like this. So everyone is busy. You can see over here. And here also this one. And here also here. And here are the traditional cultures. So here are the explanations. So everyone is here. You can see over here, and some of them are here, and some of them are here, and some of them are here. So this is how it looks like. And here also another. These are the nuts. Okay, here you can see over here. So tradition is going on, all substitute tradition is going on. This is how it looks like. All the parents can. And these are the parents. You can see over here. Okay.
Start. നമസ്കാരം സരസ്വ കല എന്നോട് പേര് സൗഭാഗ്യ. നിങ്ങൾ എല്ലാവർക്കും ನಮ್ಮೊಡನೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ ಲಿಂಗ ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನಂ ಸ್ವಾಗತಂ ಚಿಯಾನು ನಮ್ಮೊಡನೆ ಅಭುದಯ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ವಾದನಂ ಚೈತವರಣಂ. Hi, today I am representing by Kerala tradition. Hi, today I am representing Kerala by wearing their traditional attire. The people of Kerala known as the Keratis. They are a diverse group of people with a rich cultural heritage. The majority of the people in Kerala speak a Malayalam or Dravidian language. Onam is the harvest festival which they celebrate 10 days by playing traditional games and feasts. A boathouse in Kerala is a traditional houseboat called a Kuthuvilam that is used for tourism and explain the backwater. Thank you. नमस्कार मित्र तुमच्या सर्वांचे सुवांचे प्रदर्शनात स्वागत आहे. आम्ही अभुदय इंटरनॅशनल स्कूल मध्यम शिकत आहोत. I am representing the Marathi people are warrior caste from Deccan Plateau in India. They are Indo-Aryan ethno-linguistic group who are, although the origin of Ganesh Chaturthi remains unknown, become celebration was popular after the celebration was colonial freedom fighters Lokmanya Bala Gangadhar Tilak in Maharashtra in year 1983. It was Miss Indur Marathi Lab Arts competition have help of women that day. Thank you. ಬನ್ನಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. ಬನ್ನಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಕಲಿಕೋತ್ಸವಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಗೀತಾ ರಾಮನಗೌಡ ಬಿರಾದಾರ್. ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯ, ಉಷಾ, ಪಾಹಿಮ್, ಸಮರ್ಥ್. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಅಭುದಯ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಮುದ್ದೇಬಿಹಾಳ್ 8ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿರುವ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಾಗಿದ್ದೇವೆ. Today I am representing Kannadigas form the dominant ethnic group in Karnataka, making up to 67% of the total population of the state. They are the native speakers of the Kannada language. Kannada is one official and administrative language of the state of Karnataka. Kirita or Pagada headgear worn by male characters in Yakshagana. Yakshagana form coastal Karnataka is the untrue dance drama combining folk and tradition. धन्यवादಗಳು. अस्सलामुअलैकुम. मेरा नाम फहीम है. ये लोग मेरे दोस्त उषा, सौभाग्य, श्रीवान, ज्योति, समर्थ, श्रीवानी. Today I am representing the Muslim culture. Islam entered the Karnataka in the 7th century and starting at the perfect Karnataka like Mangaluru, Batkala and Feathers. Islam is monotheistic religion that originated in Arabia. Teaching of Prophet Muhammad. Muslim believe one God now known as Allah and there is holy book is Quran. Kullu Allahu ahad, Allahu samad, lam yalid walam yulad walam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. Is meaning he is Allah, the one and only Allah, the eternal absolute. He begotten, known is in like unto him. Thank you.
Today I salam ka tapatangi niti tapatangi kapen morange silonete elan chulala am injo samartha astatre Asia Minjo Fahim Gita Saubhagya Usha Shivani Asia Minjo Abudaya International School Mandewal Lokatala. Today I am representing Lota tribe by wearing the traditional attire which is one of the tribes from Nagaland. There are 17 major tribes in Nagaland and all of them has their own heritage and culture. Morang is a traditional communal home for unmarried Naga men that serves as a center for social life, education and several purposes. Dao is the sword of the Naga people. Spear is used to protect them from wild animals. Thank you. Morang Dao spear is the traditional of wild.
नमस्कार, आपलं स्वागत आहे. मोर नाम तो शिवानी वीरेश बिरकुंदी और इतु मोर लोगरिया सौभाग्य, उषा, गीता, समर्थ, फहीम और मैं अभुदय इंटरनेशनल स्कूल मुद्दाबाद परेशु. Hi, I am representing attire from Assam by wearing their traditional attire called Mekla Chador, which is worn during the festivals, wedding, religious ceremonies and other cultural events. Japi is an important symbol of Assam and its culture. It is used bihu dance and used as a protection against the elements. It is also offered as a sign of respect in ceremonies and placed as a decorative item around the house, especially on the wall as a welcome sign. Thank you.
Go.
ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಮೆರವಣಿಗೆ
Very good. Okay, very good. Thank you.